It began with a discovery. Nature is the vitality and healing energy itself. Then, a commitment to fully impart the greatness of nature to humanity. It was a first of its kind, a groundbreaking invention unmatched anywhere in the world. An endless pursuit for higher performance, more compact designs, and enhanced ease of use. We have relentlessly sought answers to the question, how can we bring a healthier life to more people? We have embraced this question as our mission, because a healthy life empowers everything we do. We will continue seeking miraculous solutions, just as humanity strives for better lives. We believe nature holds infinite secrets for a healthier life yet to be uncovered. Your health, our priority. Hurom.